Talk to the camera.
Hi, I made my dishwasher from Mark Loiber. And it was really hard. But I want to show you how this thing works. If you look at my discs fell out. Okay, I should have to out the discs and then I'll do it. So, as you see at the bottom, is a moderately charged. This wheel has been, see, this makes it what? Here, there's a switch. See, there's a little hole in here. There's a switch on it. So you flick the switch. So let's flick the switch. This can go for a million miles an hour. Literally one for fail. Let's see what. This makes my finger blowing. This is what to see is. Oh, just mentioned I hit my finger on it. Stop it. Yes, I actually hurt my finger on the scene. Well, I should hurt my finger on the scene. And now let's put all the discs on. So guys, I'm going to be aiming at the door. I'm going to see if this works. But as well, guys, I didn't actually see this out this, put this close. This one you just put this and this goes. But it won't. But that's this. I'll tell you why. This is here. And this is for. This one is for it won't really does go wonky while we just pull it back. But this thing's for it won't just pull like so back and then fall off the edge. So and then it goes here and then but it's weak enough. Rubber bands are weak enough for you to push it. So then why this is spinning. That was Sandy's frisbee going like a million miles an hour. So do I see this go big bang in action? Look, the wheel spinning. It's literally like a fan. Now, it's because I just how we put this. See? Come on. Hey boys. See? Go. Pew. 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 Is that crazy?
Nice work. So thanks for watching.